Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you my update on where I'm at with Darrell Waltrip's 1983 Pepsi Challenger Monte Carlo. I've got almost everything painted. I'm just kind of ready for final assembly on a bunch of this stuff. I do have the seat, the fire extinguisher, the water bottle, the rear end cooler, pump, all installed already, as well as the fire cell, the fuel cell in the back. And I've got the front suspension in. The roll cage is completely painted and assembled, ready to go. Got the rear end assembly done, ready to go. The engine is almost complete. I've got to glue the carburetor on there yet and the headers, but the headers are completely done as well. Dash. Got the tires sanded, wheels in, ready to go. So, I start putting stuff together, get the chassis all complete, and then I'll show you what I got left on the body. So, I kind of did this out of order a little bit, just because it was I kind of did this out of order because of the paint job mainly, but I've got I sprayed everything white, Tamiya TS26 I believe, then I taped it off, sprayed the yellow, and I did the decals for the stripe, and the Pepsi logo is in with the stripe, so, and also the rear Pepsi logo I did the black stripe all the way around. And I went ahead and installed the headlight covers as well. And then I cleared everything. So this is all cleared, ready to go for the rest of the decals, which I'll put on in its own video, and then it'll be all finished up. So, but the rest of this is going to be me putting the chassis together and finishing all that up. So I will be back. Okay, here we are, the completed chassis. Everything went together really nice, as always on these. Got the tire decals on. Everything is good underneath. There's the other side. It is all ready for the body to go on, and then I'll do some decals. So, that's it with this one. Like I said, next time I see you, it'll be the rest of the decals, and then we'll have this thing finished up. So I will see you next time. Thank you very much for watching.